Hi y'all, it's Ed, back again with another interesting video, I hope. Okay, let's get right into it because I don't have a whole lot of time. It's my night to fix dinner, so I have no idea what I'm gonna fix for dinner. I had restarted this video because it started getting long, and I'm going, I'm really gonna, I need to go over a couple things, and I really don't want to redraw all this stuff. So what I'm doing is I'm marking down consolidation. Okay, here's the Globex session. So I got Globex. I got 3-day value area high, 3-day value area low, which is way down here, and 3-day VPOCs. Okay, and those are just kind of channel markers for me. Globex session, Globex value area low, Globex high, and value area high right here. Here's Globex VWAP, Globex VPOC. Okay, now the rules are, okay, trading VWAP, just real, very simple. Here's a very simple rule, okay, for VWAP. Okay, if it comes down, if say for example VWAP is, if you touch VWAP, goes down, okay, touch VWAP goes down, that's a pullback, okay. Then you make a lower high. Here's consolidation, some consolidation here, but see where it came down to that Globex value area low right there where it pointed, and then it flattened out. The flatten out usually is a reversal. It may or may not be a long term, maybe a short term, but it basically is a reversal. Okay, so you flattened out Globex value area low, it's flattened out, go back up to Globex VWAP, consolidation, and I had measured this before. If you go from here to here, this is a 38.2 retracement right there. So you're looking at consolidation, expansion, retracement move, okay? And then there's a little bit of consolidation right here, and then expansion back up, okay? So these moves are eminently tradable, okay? I was sitting in a trading room this morning, and they were saying that these things are not tradable, but I have a different opinion. So here is, I've got on my charts, daily VWAPs, I got the Globex session, Globex VWAP, I've got bond market open here, I've got RTH open here, okay? So, taking the trade at 5 o'clock in the morning, you see this guy pointing down, making a new low, almost hit down to that previous RTH open, but did not make it. And then this started flattening out, it broke up, and here we go north, okay? So I would have taken that trade if I was awake at 5 o'clock in the morning, okay? The 9 EMA is just to kind of keep me on the kind of the right side of the trade. If it starts flattening out, we additional indication of consolidation, okay? Consolidation, retracement. Here's some, wompy consolidation. There's like what, 10 points there. You could trade that, or you could just wait. You could wait to see. Okay, it's flopping around, it's rotating around VWAP. Okay, and you can see that, which is really interesting, the way that that's working. Okay. Let's make it. Typically, the market, the market makers, the big boys, commercials, do not go in unless, and Jesse Livermore said this long time ago, they don't go into anything for less than 10 points, okay? If there's not 10 points in it for them, they don't want to mess with it, okay? There's a 10-point move right there, 73 to 83, okay? What is it doing, okay? If I go in and I say, I want to draw a midline right there, okay? Where's that midline? Right above that VWAP, okay? So pretty obvious it's rotating around VWAP, okay? They've got, but if you look at it, VWAP is below that midline. What does that tell me? If I look at that, and what that tells me is they're going to go up. And I had, from 6:30 to, 6:30 to 7:45 or whatever to figure that out. I mean, I had an hour to look at that, okay? So look at that. Well, the midline is right there, so we're going to go back up, okay? So if I'm long from down here, okay, what am I targeting? Where's my target? Okay, It's always a big question. Where's my target, guys? Where's my target? Well, I can target, you know, right now Globex high would have been right around here, right? Well, here's my value area high. Target value area high, boom, there we go. I'm out. Okay. If I wanted to hold it, see how that mean money, that mean +2, see how price action pulls back to that mean +2 and follows it up. You could follow it up. You could use that below that, use that as your stop loss, and just follow that back up. Once RTH open happened and it popped up here, you cannot see that from here, right? But once it popped back down through that, which is right about at 5,500, okay, now you're short. You're out of your long. Now your RTH open, you popped up, you made a new 3-day, made a new value area high right there, and then pop back down. So now you're trading below that mean +2, okay? So you got to pull back here, right? Take your stop loss, and you're 1 or 2 ticks above 55.125. Your entry price is 5,500. Came back here, you had 3 or 4 tries to hit that 5,500. All you do is basically draw a line, okay? You're just drawing a line from here to here, right across, right? Okay, boom. Comes back up here, I add a contract. Comes up here, I add a contract, okay? So you're in 1, 2, maybe 3 contracts. You know, maybe you get out right here, yesterday's high, come back up, come back down, okay? See how I drew that area right in here just because I wanted to, I'm looking at yesterday's high, and I'll draw it again. Basically yesterday's high, and where's the first or second pullback? You know, there's a deeper retracement right there. So what did I do? Extend that drawing. Where did it come? It came right back up into this area between the bottom of that candle and yesterday's high, and then sold off again right there. So market structure, it works. Okay, so I'm down here. I come in, I'm not trading, you know, where's my trades? Where's my trades? Well, you know, there's a few here. You missed the good one right here. You missed the good one on the open. Here is the pullback trade right there. If you grab that one, cool. Absolutely, just grab it and go. Okay, where's my target? Again, I had an old trader tell me that you never enter a trade without beforehand figuring out where's your entry, where's your stop, where's your target. Okay, and I've done videos, by the way. I've done videos on the value of, you know, taking the trades value area high, the previous value area high, you short that. If it makes a new one, you short it. You know, as it just walks up. Okay, so it makes a previous, you could have shorted, say for example right there, but there's no short. There's no short there. Walk back up, pull back. It didn't even hit there. So what are you going to do? Or you're going long, or actually you would be shorting it at this point. But what's happening? It's still, look at that mean +2. It's still going up, still going up, still going up. So we're still long biased until we start trading below that mean +2. Now we're short biased. Okay, so where's my target? Okay, I got a target of this guy right here, which was that VPOC at 54.6650. I got Globex value area low and Globex low. And now I have the bond market. I have the RTH open, previous RTH open, previous bond market open at 54.5575. Okay, so I'm targeting there. I'm not going to worry about this little pullback because I've already looked at that value, yesterday's high, and draw that, you know, across there. Boom, there you go. So what happened now? What happened here? See where the daily VWAP, it penetrated that daily VWAP. Okay, that's a momentum move. It's like, ooh, I'm moving my target down. Okay, once it starts flattening out here. Okay, once your daily value area low is flattened out right there. Okay, now look at where that mean -2 comes through. It penetrated that mean -2. Boom, we're going back up. So you've got anywhere in here, you know, you could go long wherever because your stop is below this guy. Okay, so if you wanted to say at 54.48, 54.49, 25 or 50, that's 6 ticks. You know, 54, you know, anywhere up in here. Okay, you take your entry, or you put your entry up here. You want my stop. I want my stop down here. I want my entry down here. Now, excuse me, where's my target? You have a consolidation, the logical target. Where is it? Right back up here. 3-day value area high. Boom, boom. Daily value area high right there. Boom, boom. Great logical target. Okay? Hit that, you're done. 1 move, 2 moves, you're done for the day. Okay? Now, I shut this off because I didn't want to see any action at 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock to mess me up. Okay? So, what I would be doing here, for example, is pop back up and then came down. I'd be shorting it, say for example, right there for one end of the day, 1600. I'd be shorting that at the end of the day, right there. What's my next logical target? Well, RTH open. Well, boom, there you go. There's RTH open, and you'd be done. That's you'd make a chunk of change, a little bit of change there, or if you just wanted to get out, you hit your value area high and you're done for the day. Anyway, I hope that's helpful. I gotta go make dinner, guys, and trade safe, trade green, and we'll see you next time.